Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting styling video. Today we're styling some very luxe and classy jewelry pieces from the brand Linjer. Today's video is sponsored by them. If you're looking for ways to elevate your everyday style, whether that's date night, whether that's brunch with your friends, or just like a casual farmer's market run, this is the video for you. Linjer sent me some stunning jewelry pieces and I cannot wait to show you how I style them. If you haven't heard of Linjer, they're all about minimalist yet sophisticated designs crafted from sustainable materials like recycled gold and sterling silver. They also sell directly to customers, which means you get fine jewelry quality at a much more affordable price. One thing I really love about Linjer's gold vermeil jewelry is what sets it apart is quality. Their pieces have a sterling silver base with a super thick layer of 22 karat gold plating, and that's about 5 times thicker than most gold plated jewelry and almost 100 times thicker than flash plated jewelry, which basically means it's just gonna last you a very long time and the quality is just gonna stand up to wear and tear, water, all of those elements when you're just out and about doing your everyday things. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more durable than just gold plated, but not quite ready for the price tag of fully solid gold pieces, gold vermeil is definitely your sweet spot. For today's video, I'm gonna be styling 5 different outfits for your everyday luxe lifestyle with 4 pieces that Linjer sent me. The first, I think might be one of my, I'm gonna say this about every single one, that they're absolutely my favorite, but all of their pieces really just give such timeless elegance that you can really wear them with everything. If you know anything about me, if you've seen my old styling videos, I am ring obsessed. I love my ring collection. I love having different types of rings to go with my different outfits, to go with my different moods for the day. And Linjer has just the most, literally, I don't even know how else to describe it besides it being so timeless. So the 4 pieces that they sent me are 2 different rings, a bracelet, and then earrings. I have all the pieces on right here, but I'll do close-ups of everything. I have their pearl ring called Leah, their tennis bracelet, their croissant earrings, Piper, and their Marquise ring, Adelaide. So here's just a quick close-up of the rings. And you can just tell how timeless these are, and they would go with my outfit now. I could wear them to work. I could wear them casually every day. Just super stunning. And these are gonna last the test of time, which makes it honestly that much better. And then the earrings. But I am so excited to show you guys these outfits. I'll basically be walking you through the different outfits and how I will wear these everyday pieces of jewelry in a bunch of different scenarios in your life. I do also have a discount code linked down in the description box, and I'll put it here up on the screen as well for you guys to go shop Linjer if you're really trying to up your jewelry game, your jewelry collection, or just elevate your life and take yourself to that next level. Finding really good, chic, sophisticated jewelry pieces that aren't fast fashion at all, that are sustainable, that are good quality, that's gonna last you forever. Highly, highly, highly recommend Linjer. I'm obsessed. I wear these literally every day now compared to the fast fashion jewelry pieces I used to have. These just feel better, they look better, and they go with everything, as you're about to see. And if you're curious, Linjer is a Norwegian word that means lines, which is basically just a play on words on the simplicity and minimalistic style of the jewelry pieces. I think that's super cool, and it kind of just goes with my style in general. I love having versatile pieces that you can wear so many different ways. I do love a good standout piece, but you can only wear those maybe once a month, at least in my head. So I love having very elevated jewelry pieces that I can wear every day, that make me feel good, make me feel like I'm living that luxury, luxe lifestyle. So if you're ready to level up your jewelry game or your style game in general, let's get into these outfits. So the first outfit I have is for brunch with the girls. I am obsessed with this combination. My top is this very chic button-up top that I got from Zara. My skirt is from Target, and I just love how lightweight and flowy it is. Shoes are also from Target, paired with the sleek leather bag that I got from Coach. And the jewelry pieces I decided to wear with this were all of them because I felt like this went with everything. The second outfit is for when you're arriving at the hotel on vacation. I have this gorgeous slip dress from Aster the Label, paired with a very chic type of sweater that I just draped over my shoulders. I paired it with my tan sandals just for a minimalistic look, and I'm obsessed with my Longchamp bag, you guys already know. Paired with the Marquise Adelaide ring, the tennis bracelet, croissant earrings as well. Next is date night with the boyfriend. I'm obsessed with this chic skirt from Abercrombie and this off-the-shoulder top from Target, paired with a clutch that's from Giorgio Armani and just some white kitten heels to really pull this whole look together. Also, gotta have your signature scent. To pair with this one, I have the pearl Leah ring and the croissant earrings just for a very simplistic, minimalistic look to finish it off. Have that big interview coming up? I have the perfect look for you. This dress I got from H&M, and when I saw it, I knew I had to get it. It is just so chic and classy, and you just feel like you're that next boss. I kept this look very simple with some nude heels and my mini Longchamp, and I paired this one with the tennis bracelet, the Marquise ring, and the Croissant earrings. Lastly, I love a good casual, sporty chic outfit, and this is one of my faves for running errands. I paired this simple heather gray sweater with a mock neck underneath, these navy blue diadem shorts, and a matching New York hat, and just my fave Reebok sneakers. I also wore this with my Coach Eliza bag. And again, this is an everyday look where you can wear a lot of different minimal jewelry pieces with, so I have all of them with me for this outfit. So those were all my outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are interested in any of these pieces that I styled from Linjer, please click on the link below. Again, I'll have it up on the screen. I have all the pieces that I wore linked in that description, so you can go check them out for yourself. But honestly, check out their whole website. They have so many more pieces. They have birth moonstones, they have gemstones, they have necklaces, more bracelet options, more ring options, more earring options. They have it all. If you love this type of style jewelry, you're gonna love them. So thank you again to Linjer for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys next time.